Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with this recipe, you all. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm just going to call it what I was told it was called, and that is caramel apple dip. And I brought this back from my, it's inspired by my son's mother-in-law. I just had to change the ingredients just a little bit because she had a cinnamon vanilla. I think she said that it was like a mix. And she, I don't know if she got it from Pampered Chef, but she said they don't make it anymore. So I'm just going to be putting in cinnamon and then vanilla. So the spice that she had was a cinnamon vanilla spice. And I don't have that. They don't make it anymore. So I'm going to be making it with, real cinnamon and then the vanilla flavoring. So, y'all, this is so good. It is so good. It's so good. I brought it back on the plane with me. Yes, I did. I cut up some apples before I left my son's, and she had made some dip, and I put it in a little baggie, and on my first leg of the trip, this was my snack. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into it. This is 1 block of 8-ounce cream cheese. I'm going to put that into the mixing bowl. It is already softened to room temperature. And next I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar, firmly packed. Next I'm adding 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed. As you all see, I'm using my KitchenAid mixer. This is my favorite mixer. I've had 2 mixers, and the first one was a Sunbeam. I love the Sunbeam, but this KitchenAid can really do up some stuff. It's durable. So I have a video linked at the end of this also about my KitchenAid. And then also, if you want to just go down in the description box and you're thinking about getting a mixer, I have the link to the Amazon purchase site, and you can purchase one right off Amazon, get it with Prime shipping, have it there the next day or 2. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Next, I added 1/4 of a cup of confectioner sugar and another 1 whole teaspoon of cinnamon. And go ahead and mix that up. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just barely 1/4 teaspoon. It could be between 1/8 and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, and this is just me. I love almond extract. So in my house we use imitation extract because of allergies. So I'm just going to put a couple of drops. Just a couple, and that adds a lot of flavor to me. So you don't have to do that. The recipe does not call for that, but I use just a couple of drops of the imitation almond extract. And here is 1/2 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Most of the recipes that I saw on YouTube and different things did not have chocolate chips in them. They had toffee, and they did not have cinnamon. So this just adds so much. And it's, heavenly, y'all. So go ahead and mix that in there. Just takes a few seconds. And I have my bowl scraping beater attachment So it scrapes down the sides of the bowls for you, instead of just using the regular beater and then you have to scrape down the sides with your spatula. So anyway, I'm going to get this put in a little cute little bowl and show you what it looks like and tastes like. I'll be back. All right, here we go with this taste test. I have here, hope you can see it, but this is the caramel apple dip with the chocolate chips in it, the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then this one in this little ramekin has salted peanuts. So that adds another flavor to it. So for those of you who like nuts, so I just thought I'd add something different. But anyway, I have a plate of apples here. Hope you can see that. Some of them have the skin on and some the skin off. Lord have mercy. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is so good. If you want, you can let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. Let it chill in the refrigerator overnight. The flavors will meld even more because it has, you know, has set and kind of made this little melody of its own. But that is so good. And I'm double dipping because it's my bowl. This is so good. Now, some people just use toffee bits. For those of you who love toffee. But these chocolate chips, this is how I tasted it with chocolate chips in it. So, okay, let me taste the one without skin in this dip. Delicious. And you know, I'm using Honeycrisp apples because those are my favorite apple. Other than the Pacific Rose apple, and they're not in season right now. Okay. Let's move this over. I'm going to try the one with the nuts in it. This has the chocolate chips and nuts in the mix. That's like salted caramel. And salted caramel is like the end thing now. Salted caramel ice cream and this is a good dip for parties, potlucks. Have it at those Super Bowl parties or whatever. Right now, it's actually fall. So, if you're having your, I don't do Halloween, but some people do. If you're having your Halloween parties, your trunk or treats, fall harvest parties, all that. Perfect. This is perfect for it. Lord have mercy. So try this, you all. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have already tasted this or something like this before. Maybe at work or something like that. I could eat just about this whole thing myself. Delicious. Anyway, I'm not gonna eat all these apples on camera. So let me know, you all. Also, you can dip pretzels in here. You can dip graham crackers, strawberries. Strawberries are real good. I had strawberries with this too. Strawberries. Um, Grapes were also on the serving platter when I tasted it. I think they tasted decent, but it wasn't my favorite. But definitely you can do, you know, apples, pretzels, strawberries, graham crackers. All right, so try it, y'all. Try it, try it, try it. Take it to your next potluck or whatever, and let me know how it went over. All right, you all be blessed. Also, I put those links down below if you all are looking for a mixer. Y'all know I love my KitchenAid Artisan 10-speed mixer. It has a 5-quart glass bowl. It is so pretty. I've had it for years, and I love it. Still love it. Still going strong. So y'all look down below. You can get the links to the Amazon, you know, purchasing site there. And yeah, I also have a video at the end explaining more about the mixer. All right, love you all. Be blessed, and I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.